Hey y'all, the devil filed a lawsuit, heaven or hell. That's our series, and we're talking about execution, the execution phase. And this is an introduction to the execution phase. Now, once the devil receives a judgment, the next phase is called the execution phase. You must deal with this situation quickly because the devil and his demons are coming for your financial soul. We'll discuss what a creditor will try if you don't resolve this judgment quick. The true devilish nature of the creditor will be manifested in this execution phase. We realize you already thought the devil's favorite son and the devil were being unsympathetic and unmerciful in your situation. However, this is where things really get nasty. The devil is coming to collect his due, your financial soul. All right. You may say, well, all they got is a piece of paper saying I owe money. So what? You're right. They do have a piece of paper signed by a judge and filed it with the court clerk saying you owe money. However, it's more than that. That piece of paper carries with it the force of law. There are people with official uniforms, badges, and guns to enforce what the judge has ruled and decreed. So before we go any further, let's talk about some available options to deal with the devil and his new demons. Now this is just a quick thing because in later posts we can go through it in detail. Number one, pay the debt to the creditor plus court costs, attorney's fees, or whatever you can get the creditor to agree to. However, consider whether other creditors are waiting out there to pounce on you. Never drain money from your retirement plan. It's untouchable in bankruptcy, and if you do that, it'll probably trigger some pretty hefty tax penalties. Borrowing money to pay is also a bad idea, particularly if there's co-signers involved. You don't want that because you're just trading one problem with another problem. Number two, file bankruptcy. Just because the creditors hounded you to pay, then had a collection attorney, a collection agency try to squeeze the money out of you, then sue you and get a judgment against you, I bet your ability to pay has not magically changed. If you can't pay the debt and afford all your other bills, maybe you should consider the bankruptcy option. In most cases, you'd be able to reorganize and wipe out all your debt through bankruptcy. Well, the debt that you've been sued on, for sure. Next is do nothing. You may be tempted to do nothing or procrastinate. That's probably more likely. However, it's almost never a good idea to do that. Even if you don't have anything to take, there are all kinds of evil things the devil and his demons can do to make your life a living hell. Plus, there's no chance for your credit to recover if you do nothing. Okay, so back with execution. With judgment in hand, the devil now has incredible enforcement weapons to make you pay. Additionally, the law gives the devil power to force others to act as his demon by taking life-sustaining funds from you against their will. These legal weapons are writs of garnishment, writs of execution, and judgment liens, and they're going to be discussed in our next post. And of course, we look forward to seeing you there. In our next post, we're going to talk about writs of garnishment and execution. Now, in the meantime, if you want to stop this insanity, give us a call, and we'll be happy to talk to you. We'll give you a free consultation. Also, if you want a copy of the book, we'll be happy to send it to you. Just give us a call or go online and make your request known. And remember our mission statement: restoring hope and peace to people in financial distress by hitting the reset button on their bills through the bankruptcy process. That's what we're all about. We're here to help you. Until next time, I hope you have a blessed day.